Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Armand Cruz, your licensed real estate broker specializing in premium homes in Nuvali in the South. Now, if you've been looking for a house that has premium privacy and you want that accessibility going to Nuvali, Tagaytay, Alabang, Makati, and BGC, well, this house behind me is something that you might be interested in. For the house specifications, this property sits in a lot area of 207 square meters with a floor area of 253 square meters. You have 5 bedrooms. You have a maison with its own toilet and bath, your 3 toilet and bath. You also have a 2-vehicle carport. So tara, ikutin natin the exterior part of the house. As you can see, this property is a corner lot home, which also is a very nice feature to have. Most of the people that we have, or most of our buyers, are looking for a corner lot. So this is your chance. But that doesn't stop there, because on this other side of the property is a extra special feature. So if you've been looking for extra privacy for your home and you don't want a kapitbahay on your side, pwedeng-pwede to sa inyo. Because on this side of the property, on the other end of the property, is an open space dedicated for the whole community, and it's going to be maintained by the homeowners association. So kung ayaw mo ng kapitbahay, perfect na perfect sa itong bahay na to, because the only neighbor that you'll have is at the back. And ang ginawa pa, pinasampa natin ng firewall, so which is very nice because it adds to that privacy. Now, we're here in the carport and can easily fit your 2 full-size SUVs. It's actually very nice because I like open carports because it makes it easier for you to go in and out, especially if you're busy. Madali lang kayo maglabas-pasok. As you can see, yung carport natin is already tiled. You have your gray tiles finished, and you also have your WPC ceiling, and you have your lighting all over. Coming from your carport will be an access gate going to your pedestrian, or yung itong entry natin going inside the house. So on this side will be your landscaped garden. Kung naghahanap ka ng something na may landscaping na, this is very perfect for you. Also, already have your landscaping all the way here at the back. So ang ganda niyan tignan, especially it's a corner lot. So you have a lot of space to move around. If you have pets, if you have family and friends, you can actually enjoy this space. And hindi lang yun, you have this small private space here at the back nang pwede ma-enjoy ng buong family mo. So you can just imagine putting tables and chairs here. It can be an outdoor dining area which has an access to your indoor dining, and you can actually close this down for privacy kasi this is your service area. So no need na pumunta ng ating mga helpers here, so at least this is privacy. You can actually put a curtain if you'd like para lang din mas marami kang privacy. You can do a lot of things. You can drink, you can have coffee, you can eat breakfast here, you can have fun here with your friends. So we're done here with the outside. Let's go to the inside of the house. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng ating bahay. As you can see, it's a very welcoming vibe kasi you already have these steps and you have this stone cladding here or stone finish here, which adds to that modern lodge feels. And pagpasok natin, you also have your solid wood door with your smart door access. So as we enter, you will immediately see na napakaliwalas ng bahay natin. This is an open space layout or open floor layout. You can see almost everything here. Now, what's nice about the living area, it's a good decent size. You already have your fluted panels on this wall as an accent that adds to the beauty of the house. Parang ito yung nagiging centerpiece ng bahay. If you actually go here, you will notice na it adds to that country lodge or modern lodge feels. And you already have your cabinet here down below. So you also have your corner window here with your premium windows, yung premium aluminum windows natin, which is very nice. Now, right across our living area will be your dining area, which can easily fit your 6-seater or 8-seater dining table. Pwede pa nga 10-seater, depende sa size ng furnitures mo. You have a very beautiful chandelier here, which adds to the accent of the whole house. Now, isang important thing to note is yung ating accent dito, parang siyang shadow gaps dito sa side, which adds to that beauty or to the elegance of the house. Again, you have a big size window here that allows the wind and the natural light to come in. Now, you also have your sliding glass door going to the outdoor dining part of your house. Pwede nyo i-close down yan. Actually, na-imagine ko, if you have a lot of guests, if you like to invite guests, you can just open it up. Very easy to entertain. Now, right beside our dining area would be your kitchen. Now, if you like cooking, this is actually perfect for you. Gusto mo mag-vlog, pwede because you have your center island with a long countertop. This is actually quartz countertop. You have your chandeliers. Now, by the way, this house comes semi-furnished, so may air conditioning na all over. And sabi na rin sa akin ng owner, you will have your refrigerator here. Now, you'll have a lot of cabinet space. You have a dual sink. And meron ka na rin stove. And you also have your oven and your range hood here. Now, this is your service kitchen. You can cook here, you can actually do your laundry here, you can do all the dirty works here, far away from where yung mga nakita ng mga bisita natin or kahit kayo. Now, dito rin is your maid's room. So, I can just imagine, kasi dito, I'll just show you. Meron tayong gate dito, and meron tayong gate doon sa kabila. So, this can be a private space for your house help to move around, to do their work. Hindi na nila kailangang pumasok sa loob ng bahay. The only time na mapapasok sila sa bahay is if they need to bring the food inside or they need to clean. So this is your maid's room. Very decent size. You can fit your double deck or your single bed. They also have their own toilet and shower. And take note, yung ating maids naka-HEG pa siya. So ang ganda ng ating mga fixtures. You have your tiles all the way up. You have your shower. You have your toilet and you have your sink. Now, this is very nice. Actually, very important. I have a lot of clients recently looking for a bedroom downstairs. So this is very perfect. So this bedroom can easily fit your semi-double or double bed. It already has your cabinet there. You have your center light. You have your LED lights. Again, your air conditioning is already included in the sale of the property. And you have a lot of cabinet space for those staying here inside the house. So it's very, very nice. Ang dami ng space. Nagkaroon din siya ng cabinets all the way up. You can actually put your bags there on the highest level. So, beside the ground floor bedroom would be your toilet and bath. So, this is actually not a powder room. This is actually a toilet and bath. So, you have your beautiful accent wall here with your mosaic tiles, and you also have your shower and you have your telephone shower. So, we're done here in the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 4 bedrooms. You have 2 toilet and bath. Actually, what I like about this, dito sa ating landing area, it's very spacious. And hindi lang yun, before we go there, you have this huge size window and you have a beautiful chandelier, which adds to the beauty of the house. And yung ceiling natin, meron pa rin siyang mga shadow gaps. So, it appears like parang naka-float yung ating ceiling. Now, by the way, yung house natin, it's CCTV ready. So, ito nakikita nyo dito. All throughout the house, may mga nakapwesto. Even here, dito may mga nakapwesto na pwede yung pagkabitan ng inyong CCTV. Let's begin by touring you around the common toilet and yung ating sink. Now, this is very interesting. Ang ginawa nila, they separated the sink area from the shower area, which is nice because if you have a lot of people staying in the house, some people can do their brushing their teeth pag pumunta na sa work, sa school, and some people can do their taking a bath or their business in the toilet. So, you have the beautiful accent tiles here, you have your countertop here, you have your sink, and dito sa ating shower area, meron ka ng glass enclosure, you have your exhaust. Again, you have that same theme of accent wall tiles, and you have the everything all complete. Meron pa tayong window dito para mas mabilis pong mag-escape yung heat and also yung amoy. Now, right beside our common toilet and sink will be the, well, pwede siyang bedroom, pero it is a designated office or study room. Now, if you would like to convert this to a bedroom, pwede, pero this doesn't have your own cabinet. You have a space here. I can just imagine you can put a desk here. Facing here, you can if you need a big TV, you can put a TV here, you can put your desk here, you can do some work. You already have your air conditioning included here. By the way, pag akyat pala natin, yung tiles natin sa baba is different. It's actually porcelain. Here on the second floor, we're using engineered wood. So if you're a fan of these types of houses, perfect to sa inyo. Now, right beside it is the first full bedroom. This comes with your full-size cabinet and it's very spacious. You can fit your queen-size bed. You have a lot of windows. You already have your air conditioning. Again, may shadow gap lines on the side ceiling natin. You also have a lot of storage space. So if you have somebody or if you are the type who have a lot of clothes or you have somebody in the house na maraming clothes, this is perfect for them. You can actually, I can just imagine if you're not going to use this as a bedroom, you can actually use this as a clothes room. Now, right beside it is the second bedroom of the second floor. So this is, again, ang feature naman ito, mas malaking windows niya. It's almost, hindi naman floor to ceiling, but 3/4 of the wall or the side or the corner is consumed by windows, which adds to the beautiful effect of the bedroom. You can fit your queen size bed or king size bed, and you also have a window on this side. Now, let's tour the master's bedroom. Continuously, yung ating flooring is engineered wood. You have your big size cabinet here. A lot of cabinet space. This is perfect for you. This is your sleeping area, or this is your designated sleeping area. You can actually, they have this designated headboard or design headboard dito sa atin, and you also have that space on the other side for your TV. On this side will be master balcony. You're the one who only has access if you're coming from the master balcony. A lot of space to just enjoy the breeze of Biñan, Laguna. You can actually put tables there. Here, you can put an outdoor living area. Perfect na perfect to. And I can just imagine the multitude of things na pwede kong gawin dito. So, dito tayo sa ating toilet and bath. Again, same finish or same accent wall here. Very beautifully done. You have your counter, you have your sink, and you also have a shower with your glass enclosure. This one you can actually close down. So so somebody can be here and on the other side. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you'd like to see this house in the actual and go on a site visit, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Now, if you're looking to sell a property, you can actually send the property details to our email. It's liveinthesouthph@gmail.com. Now, if you're still looking around and you would like to get updated news of the new listings or mga bagong listings na paparating, newly launched projects and promos, we also have our Viber community. You can join. The link is in the description box, and nandyan rin po yan sa ating comment section. Now, if you also would like, or you're the type na mahilig mag-browse, we also have a website. It's liveinthesouthph.com. Nandyan po ang aming mga listings. Now, once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!